So for section 7.2, question number 9, we're going to be using substitution to solve this problem. So whenever we do substitution, we need to find a value to be our u value, and that's usually the best one. Either it's underneath the, it's either usually the denominator number or something under a radical. In this case, it's going to be something under square root. So we're just going to go ahead and make 4z squared minus 5 our u value. So 4z squared minus 5. So to do du, we're going to go ahead and take the regular derivative of this, which is just 8z dx. So we don't like the 8z and the dx being together. We want to get that 8 over here. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to divide by 8, divide by 8. So we're going to have 1/8 to the sum of, or the integral of, the square root of u dx. Now, let me explain to you why we're doing this to du and all this other stuff. So if you look over here, we have a z and a dx, or a dz. I just put x because I'm trying to confuse y'all. We have a dz here, check. We have a z here, but we don't have an 8 anywhere. You kind of want to just cancel this kind of stuff out. So since there's no 8 over here or anything, or over here, we just divide it and give it to du. So this is going to be the equation right here. So now when we get to this step right here, we can go ahead and take the antiderivative of the square root of u. And the square root of u is the same thing as u to the 1/2 power dx to the integral of 1/8. So the antiderivative of this, all you got to do is add 2 to the top, so it's going to be u to the 3/2 over 3/2 1/8 dx. Okay, now that we have this, we can go ahead and put this in simplest form. So it's going to be 1/8 times 2/3 u to the 3/2 dx. So 1 times 2 is going to go equal to 2, and 8 times 3 is going to be 24. 2/24 equals 1/12. So we're going to have 1/12 u to the 3/2 dx, or dz. I keep changing from dx to dz, exact same thing, don't worry about it. And then now we can go ahead and fill in our u value, which is 4z squared minus 5. So the correct answer and the final answer is going to be 1/12 4z squared minus 5 to the 3/2 power plus c. And that's going to go ahead and be your answer.